गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम सीखेंगे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करना बाय कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड। सो वी हैव दिस इक्वेशन 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0। इसे कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड यानी पूर्ण वर्ग करने की विधि द्वारा हम इसको हल करेंगे। वी विल सॉल्व इट बाय कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will write the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. In this equation we have this constant term. So इस constant term को पहले हमें right hand side में लेके जाना है. We will have to transfer it to right hand side. So after taking it that side, it will be 2x square minus 7x and it will become minus 3. After that we will check what is the coefficient of x square. x स्क्वायर का गुणांक क्या है? ये 2 है. सो वील हैव टू डिवाइड फुल इक्वेशन बाय 2, डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड्स बाय 2. sides by 2. When you divide it by 2, it will be only x square. It will be 7 by 2x and that will be minus 3 upon 2. After that what we will have to do, x square will be written as it is. Then we will write 2 into 7 by 2. We had 7 by 2. We are multiplying numerator by 2. So denominator will also be multiplied by 2 because we don't have any role to increase anything in the numerator but we don't increase anything in the denominator. ये घर का राज नहीं है. Whatever we are increasing upside in the numerator, same will be increased in the denominator also. So here also we will multiply denominator by 2 and this x will be written as it is equal to minus 3 upon 2. After that, see here, now this can be written as x square and it will be 2 into 7 by 4 x is equal to minus 3 by 2. After that we will write it in this form. X square can be written as like this also. We can write na. After that 2 into this bracket, within bracket we have x, so x will be written into this 7 by 4. We can change the order also. After that the square of 7 by 4 will be added in the left side as well as in the right side. Minus 3 by 2 will be written as it is and the square of 7 by 4 will be added here in the right side also. Why I have done like this? Now you see, we have one formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here you see, in the formula we have 2ab, that's why I have multiplied here 2 by 2. Now this is the formula which is equal to a minus b whole square. Our sum is in this form and we want to convert in this form, only then it will be completing square. Here square is completed, यहाँ square पूरा हो जाता है. इसलिए what is a is x, what is b, that is 7 by 4 and minus sign will come and whole square. Now this square is completed, इसीलिए इसको कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड या पूर्ण वर्ग विधि कहा जाता है. एंड राइट हैंड साइड वी हैव नाउ, यू सी, minus 3 by 2 as it is, plus when you open the bracket, square of 7 will be 49 and square of 4, 4 का वर्ग 16 होगा. After that we will take the LCM of 2 and 16, that will be 16 and in the table of 2, 2 8 is 16. Now that 8 will be multiplied by 3, so 8 3 is 24, minus sign, and here 16 1s are 16, so that 1 will be multiplied by 49 and this side will be written as it is x minus 7 by 4 raised to the power 2, and here after subtraction 25 by 16 will come, 25 upon 16. Now this square will become square root. In the left hand side we will have x minus 7 by 4 x minus 7 upon 4, and right hand side we will have plus minus 25 by 16, and the square root of this one will be plus minus 5 by 4, because square root of 25 is 5, square root of 16 is 4. Then it will be transferred to that side. So x is equal to 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. So one time we will take x is equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Here LCM will come 4 and numerators will be written as it is. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 upon 4, that is 3. So one answer or one root of this equation is x is equal to 3, and second 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, here LCM here also 4 and numerators will be written as it is. So from here 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So second root is 1 by 2, first root is 3. So these are two values of x after solving the equation. So I think you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask from me, you can send your message and I will try to solve your problem. Thank you very much, students.